What if I told you that your phone or laptop could be the key to making $1,000 every single week using AI? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the kicker. It's not. It's happening right now. And if you're not taking advantage of it, you're leaving money on the table. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to make life-changing money in 2024. Here's the brutal truth. AI is no longer just for tech geniuses or billion-dollar companies. It's for you. It's for me. It's for anyone willing to adapt. But let me ask you this. Are you ready to embrace this change? Or will you sit back and watch others get rich while you're stuck wondering what went wrong? And hey, I get it. AI sounds intimidating, like something out of a sci-fi movie. But trust me, it's not rocket science. You don't need to code. You don't need to have a fancy degree. All you need is a willingness to learn and maybe a little hustle. Now that you're intrigued, let's dive into the good stuff. Here are 5 AI-powered side hustles that can put $1,000 or more into your pocket every single week. These aren't just random ideas, they're proven methods, tailored for 2024 and designed for people like you. First up, we've got AI-powered content creation. In today's social media-driven world, content is king, and businesses are paying big bucks to creators who can help them stand out. Here's the good news. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and even Canva's Design AI, you can create high-quality content in minutes. We're talking Instagram captions, blog posts, video scripts, basically anything that helps brands grow online. Picture this. A company reaches out to you and says, "Hey, we need 5 Instagram posts for our new product launch." With AI, you whip them up in 30 minutes, send them over, and charge $1,000. Easy, right? And no, you don't need to be the next Shakespeare. AI does the heavy lifting. Your job is to make sure it doesn't write something embarrassing, like calling your client's product just okay. But here's the thing. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you're looking for something with even more earning potential, keep watching. Next, let's talk about virtual assistant services. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, isn't that just email and calendar management? Let me blow your mind. With AI tools like Zapier, Notion AI, and Grammarly, you can offer automated solutions to clients that save them hours of work every week, and they'll pay you handsomely for it. Imagine this. It's Monday morning. You're sipping your coffee, checking your emails, and you've already made $500 by automating a client's workflow. No stress, no commute, just smart work that pays. So, you can specialize in areas like email automation, project management, or customer service. Businesses are looking for efficiency, and if you can deliver it, they'll gladly pay $50 to $100 per hour. And the best part? Once you set up their systems, it's mostly passive income. But here's a question for you. What if I told you there's a way to make money while creating something once and selling it over and over again? Intrigued? Let's talk about it. Digital products are the ultimate side hustle. Why? Because they're scalable. You create something once, and it can make you money forever. With AI tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and Writesonic, you can design ebooks, templates, and even custom artwork in minutes. Upload them to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad and let the sales roll in. But here's the catch. AI tools are getting better every single day. That means more people are jumping on this bandwagon. If you wait too long, this opportunity could become oversaturated. Don't let that happen. And don't worry. No one's asking you to be Picasso or Hemingway. AI does the hard part. Your job is to upload it and set a fair price. Easy, right? Now, if you're someone who loves solving puzzles and working with data, the next side hustle is going to blow your mind. Small businesses are drowning in data, sales reports, customer feedback, website analytics, you name it. But here's the thing, they don't know how to make sense of it. That's where you come in. Using tools like Google AutoML or Tableau, you can analyze data and provide actionable insights. For example, you might help a local coffee shop figure out why their sales are dipping on Mondays, or help an e-commerce store identify their most profitable customer segment. These businesses will pay you $1,000 or more for a single project. Think of yourself as a modern-day detective, except instead of solving crimes, you're solving business problems. And the reward? A fat paycheck. And hey, you don't even need a trench coat or a magnifying glass. AI tools do all the sleuthing for you. Still with me? Good. Because the final side hustle is the biggest one yet. This is where the real money is. Let's talk about consulting. Businesses know they need AI, but most of them have no idea where to start. That's where you come in. By learning just the basics of AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, and automation platforms, you can position yourself as an AI consultant. Think about it. In just a few weeks, you could position yourself as an AI expert and charge $2,000, $5,000 per project. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know more than the average business owner. And trust me, that's a pretty low bar. And no, you're not lying. You're just one step ahead of the game. Fake it till you make it? Nah, with AI, you can learn it and then make it. You've just learned about 5 powerful AI side hustles that can transform your financial future. But here's the deal. Knowing isn't enough. Action is what separates dreamers from achievers. AI is here to stay. And the earlier you jump in, the bigger your advantage.